so I'm going to show you guys how I do my 2-strand boho twists over my locks. It's super easy and beginner friendly. I will link all the products in the description box below. It's actually my first time using this Pre-Fluffed Freetress braid hair and I absolutely loved it. These products are absolutely amazing that I use. I don't just use them for myself, I use it for my daughter as well. They're amazing, so I will link that in the description box below. But you're gonna wanna start with a fresh retwist and make sure your hair is hydrated. But you're gonna wanna start with your locks. So I like to do at least 1 inch of my own natural hair, and you want to twist your right lock over your left lock. Again, your right lock over your left lock to begin, because if not, it will unravel. You're gonna take 1 strand of the pre-fluffed strands, like literally they pull apart very easily, but you want at least like 2 inches on one side with one lock and then the full length on the other side. And then you're just gonna do the same. You're gonna twist your right lock over your left lock. And I like to do it a little bit tight, but not too tight. But again, I like my style to look fresh, but you don't want to go so tight because you're going for the boho effect, so you want your twist to kind of have like some fluff to it, so don't do it too tight. Then you're going to add the second strand and make sure the bottom is an even length. So you're going to add about 2 inches or so to the other side with the longer length, and then whatever lock has the shorter length of the first strand, you're going to add the longest length. And then again, you're just going to twist right lock over left lock, okay? And if it feels too tight, definitely loosen it up a bit. But as you can see, it's super easy to do, and adding the hair is no problem. It will fluff back up, so even if it looks like your actual hair, like closer to your roots, is a little bit tighter, as your locks like fluff out a bit, especially if you're keeping this protective style in for a while like I am, it won't be that big of a line of demarcation. But I really don't care about that. I like my style to look tight. And if you have any like loose pieces like that, feel free to cut them off at the end. That is okay. It's just like one of the shorter ends is sticking out. But again, now as I'm going down, I am doing it a little bit tighter because you want the hair to kind of twist on itself without unraveling, which I love this hair for that, by the way. Like, it keeps its shape, it holds, and you don't have to like put hot water on it or anything. Anyways, I cut that little small piece off. It happens, whatever, you keep going. But that's pretty much it. Like, I'm actually gonna have this style in for a while. It's super light, way lighter than faux locks. So if you're one of those people who complain about like the heaviness of faux locks, this is the next best thing. And honestly, this only took me like 3 hours to do. So it's way shorter time than faux locks as well. And honestly, like, it's just so easy to take out as well. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at iamLindaElaine. Your girl is also now on TikTok, so follow me at iamLindaElaine as well. I hope you guys have a beautiful day or night, whatever time it is for you guys, and I will see you lovelies later. Bye.